Python has several built-in data types that are used to store and manipulate different kinds of data. Here is an overview of the most common data types with code examples for each. 1. Integers int. Whole numbers, positive or negative without decimals. Python. A equals 5. B equals -10. Print type A, hashtag output, class int. Print type B, hashtag output, class int. 2. Floating point numbers float. Numbers that contain a decimal point. Python. C equals 5.7. D equals -3.14. Print type C, hashtag output, class float. Print type D, hashtag output, class float. 3. Strings, str. Sequence of characters enclosed in single, double, or triple quotes. Python. E equals hello world. F equals Python is fun. Print type E, hashtag output, class str. Print type F, hashtag output, class str. 4. Boolean bool. Represents one of two values, true or false. Python. G equals true. H equals false. Print type G, hashtag output, class bool. Print type H, hashtag output, class bool. 5. List. Ordered, mutable collection of items, which can be of different types. Python. I equals 1, 2, 3, 4.5, Python. Print type I, hashtag output, class list. Print I2, hashtag output 3. 6. Tuple. Ordered, immutable collection of items, which can be of different types. Python. J equals 1, 2, 3, 4.5, Python. Print type J, hashtag output, class tuple. Print J2, hashtag output 3. 7. Set. Unordered collection of unique items. Python. K equals 1, 2, 3, 4.5, Python. L equals 1, 2, 2, 3, 4.5, Python. Hashtag duplicate values are removed. Print type K, hashtag output, class set. Print K, hashtag output 1, 2, 3, 4.5, Python. Print L, hashtag output 1, 2, 3, 4.5, Python. 8. Dictionaries dict. Unordered collection of key value pairs. Python. M equals name Alice, age 25, city New York. Print type M, hashtag output, class dict. Print M name, hashtag output, Alice. 9. None type, none. Represent the absence of a value. Python. N equals none. Print type N, hashtag output, class none type. Hashtag code explanation. Integer int. Stores whole numbers without a decimal point. Used for counting or indexing. Python. I equals 10. Float. Stores numbers with a decimal point. Used for precise measurements. Python. B equals 10.5. String str. Stores text. Can use single, double, or triple quotes. Python. C equals hello. Boolean bool. Stores true or false. Useful in conditional expressions. Python. D equals true. List. A mutable, ordered collection of items. Python. E equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Tuple. An immutable, ordered collection of items. Python. F equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Set. An unordered collection of unique items. Python. G equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Dictionary dict. A collection of key-value pairs, useful for storing related data. Python. H equals 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. None type, none. Represents a null value or no value at all. Python. I equals none. Understanding these data types and how to use them is fundamental for programming in Python.